So these are the ingredients we're going to be using. A list of the ingredients will be in the description for the video. The only thing I forgot to show in this section is salt. You will need salt, but all of the ingredients will be in the description. You are going to use a 8x8 baking container, and you are going to spray it with cooking spray. 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Mix all the dry ingredients together before adding the wet ingredients. 2 cups of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Here I'm using a 1/4 cup of honey. You can also use sugar as a substitute. Add 1 teaspoon melted coconut oil. Mix all the wet ingredients together, then add your bananas, blueberries, strawberries, and mix. Once you've mixed everything together, you're going to put it in your greased baking container, and we are going to bake at 375 for 35 minutes. After checking it at 35 minutes, I realized because my bananas were overripe, I needed to put it back in for an additional 5 minutes so it wasn't too soggy. After the 40 minutes, it was perfect. We took it out of the oven, we checked it, made sure it wasn't too soggy. And you can see on the bottom it's a little bit brown, but it is perfect. This dish is perfect for people who like to make their breakfast ahead, and is perfect for meal prep. It is delicious and tasty, and you can also have it as a dessert. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.